Here, Jupiter's period of revolution is given as 12 times that of Earth, which is 12 years. We need to find the distance between Jupiter and Sun. So we need to find r, and here we need to find velocity and acceleration of Jupiter. So you can see the previous problem, we have some formulas which we are going to use directly for this, which gives the basic relation between time period, the radius of the orbit, and velocities. So in those formulas we saw that t square is proportional to r cube. So we wanted, why we are using this? Because we wanted the distance, that is the radius, and time period is given. So t square is proportional to r cube. So tj by te, so t is time period of Earth, power 2 by 3 is rj by re. So here we could divide this because the constant is same because Sun is same. So anyway, we just get the ratio rj by re from here, which is 12 power 2 by 3, our answer. Second part, velocity and acceleration. So we already know the relation between time period and velocity, and they have given the time period, so we can directly find velocity from just cross multiplying it. So here we put the tj as 12 years, and these are all constants which we need to put. We will get our answer. Now acceleration is v square by r, and we have just calculated v. So let's just write r in terms of time period again, because time period is given as 12 years. So for that we are going to use this relation between radius and time period. So we do that, and now we'll put the value of vj from here, and tj is 12 years and rest is constant. We put and solve and get our answer. So if you're not comfortable with these equations, just look at the previous problem 1.200 in this playlist. You will get comfortable.